I'm Bob Wisniewski. I'm a lawyer, a certified specialist in workers' compensation by the Arizona Bar of Legal Specialization. Let me tell you about what's called an independent examination. At times in your case, and not in every case, the insurance company will ask you to be examined by a doctor of their choosing. You must go to that examination unless you have an emergency appointment or a wedding or something out of state. We're given advance notice of the independent exam. That's the time to make sure you read your mail. Open your mail from us and read it and call us then and say, oh, I can't go that day. I have a personal matter. We generally can move the deposition. The deposition can be tape recorded by you if we're given advance notice that that is something you'd like to do, and we have to give advance notice to the other side. The independent examiner is not your friend. He essentially works for the other side. When you go into the examination, don't be confrontative, don't be aggressive, don't be rude. Be as polite as you can. Be very brief in what you tell the doctor. If he's asking you questions about that seem to be what you told your lawyer or what are the legal theories of your case, you don't have to answer those questions. It is about your medical condition and to evaluate your needs for more medical care or what have you. So try to confine your answers to those situations. If the doctor requests that you have invasive testing, you do not have to have invasive testing. He can order some x-rays, and that's not invasive, and you can certainly have those that they may help look at the medical condition that's in your case. But you must attend. If you're out of county, you will get some mileage in advance, and you have to be paid the mileage and travel expenses, otherwise you don't have to attend the examination. If for some reason on the date of the examination there's an emergency, your car breaks down en route to the doctor's office, call us immediately, because if you don't attend, your benefits can be suspended. Your benefits, in addition to be suspended, can be credited with the cost of that examination, and they're very expensive. They're $1,500, $2,000 an exam, and if you don't show up, they'll try to deduct that from your medical expense, from your medical case, and your industrial case, and some of the money that you should get from your industrial. So it's very important that you read the information sheet that we gave you that in writing about the independent exam that you got with the letter that tells you where to go. Make sure you understand where it is, be there on time to fill out some papers. They may ask you to fill out some information at the beginning about prior medical conditions. Don't hide anything. Try to be as truthful as you can remember, because they will have your medical records and they will find out about other conditions. And if you say, no, I never had problems with my back before, and now you're claiming back problems, that is going to attack your credibility. Most of the doctors that practice before the Industrial Commission are very insurance-oriented, very conservative. You may not like their questions. Just be polite. You won't get the report that day. They send it to the insurance company within 2 or 3 weeks of taking the exam, and then afterwards we receive it from the insurance company. But if you have any questions when you receive the independent examination notice, please give us a call and we'll talk to you about it, and we'll certainly prepare you before you go to the examination. If you have any questions, give us a call.